UK nationals want vaccine passports. With the UK's vaccine programme gaining pace, a new survey shows that British citizens are in favour of vaccine passports being used as a way out of the global pandemic. This includes privileges for entering public places, workplaces, and travel abroad. With the EU looking at moving forward with a vaccine passport, and other countries following suit, vaccine passports are becoming a popular tool to get out of current restrictions, both in the UK and elsewhere. In this video, we look at the latest opinion poll on vaccine passports, as well as where we currently stand with countries rolling them out. But first, we want to thank you for joining us. Find us on all the other social media channels, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and click that bell to get notified when we release a new video. We also appreciate your likes and comments below, as it helps to support our channel. This video is brought to you by IAM. We believe that travel improves and inspires you, and the people around you. We help you travel by providing services which overcome barriers and frameworks that simplify and enrich your experience. We just happen to be immigration lawyers. So reach out to your IAM visa coordinator when you're ready for your adventure, or already on one, and would like some assistance. Many international travelers will likely need to prove they are vaccinated or free of COVID-19 if they plan trips later this year. Last week, the UK officials stated they are looking at the pros and cons of digital passports after initially ruling them out. EU leaders are also expecting their own version of a digital certificate to be launched in 3 months. The US government has not stated if COVID-19 vaccinations will factor into US travel requirements. The US Centers for Disease Control and Prevention hasn't yet issued guidance on the subject, and says there are no established international standards for vaccines or documentation of vaccination. Nearly a third of British adults have had at least one COVID-19 vaccine shot. Now, a wide majority of British nationals support the controversial next step, which is the issuance of vaccine passports or certificates that would allow some semblance of normalcy. New data provided to Bloomberg by YouGov show that 65% of British nationals say they would support a document that would theoretically allow vaccinated people to return to workplaces and even travel again before those who haven't had their shots. The poll showed 76% support requiring proof of vaccination for people entering the UK from abroad as soon as possible, with 16% opposed to the idea. For British nationals aged 65 and above, 77% support the speedy rollout of vaccination passports within the UK, compared with 47% of those between the ages of 18 and 24. The older population in the UK, who are more likely to be vaccinated, are also more in favour of requiring proof of vaccination than younger people, who would theoretically be more restricted if requirements were put in place soon. Although most British nationals agreed that vaccine passports should be created and used, they were divided over the specifics of where. Those surveyed also tended to show a distaste for private companies creating their own versions of vaccine passports. A full 67% of respondents surveyed said that private companies should not be allowed to develop their own versions. The British officials are reviewing the idea of requiring proof of vaccine for certain activities, which is already becoming standard in Israel, another country leading the vaccination drive. The World Health Organization opposes requiring proof of immunization, in part because it's not clear whether vaccinated people can still spread the infection. And critics say a vaccine passport system would be discriminatory and create an elite class of people with access to the shot. Some European countries have already introduced policies regarding vaccine passports. Iceland was the first European nation to issue vaccine certificates in late January. Greece also unveiled a digital vaccination certificate for those who have received 2 doses of the vaccine. The vaccine passports or certificates would enable people to present proof of vaccination, and thus are allowed entry and usually skip quarantine protocols when arriving in a new country. What are your thoughts on vaccine passports? What would it take to allow unrestricted travel again? Talk to us in the comments section below. If you need assistance with a visa to Europe, the UK, or the US, including help with securing your travel arrangements, IAM can help. For visa advice, contact your IAM visa coordinator. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell for more travel and visa updates.